So curious about how a recent court decision could impact your next home purchase? With new rules around buyer-agent agreements, knowing your options for mortgage concessions could save you big. So let's dive into what you need to know. Hi, I'm David Lenoir, real estate agent in Greater Boston with Coldwell Realty. A recent ruling against the National Association of Realtors is changing how buyers approach their home purchases. Specifically, you will be asked to sign a buyer-agent agreement specifying the commission amount that you'll pay your agent. So this raises questions. Can you ask the seller to cover these costs through concessions? So Rick Waldron from Guaranteed Rate Affinity will walk you through the details.
Thanks, David. When it comes to mortgage concessions, the limits depend on your loan type, the down payment, overall mortgage amount. For instance, FHA loans allow up to a 6% concession, 6% of the purchase price, while conventional loans might cap you at 3%. These concessions can cover closing costs and, in some cases, your buyer agent commission. However, it's crucial to stay within lender guidelines, as exceeding these limits could affect your loan approval. Let's break down the specifics. With a conventional loan and a 5% down payment, you're typically limited to 3% in concessions. If you're putting 10% down or more, the limit might increase to 6%. If you're actually putting 25% down or more, the concession amount goes up to 9%. FHA and VA loans have different rules, so it's important to understand how your loan types impacts your negotiation power.
That's essential information, Rick. Buyers being informed about these limits before making an offer can give you a real advantage in negotiations. Reach out with any questions. Rick and I are here to help you navigate through this process smoothly. Please like and share this video with your family and friends. Take care. Have a good day.